See back there?
Yeah. Now what was you saying? You been there, done that, what?
No, I said, man, that Camaro look good.
Oh.
I said, been there, done that. Yeah, man. That was one a fluke.
When you was going through some phases.
What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D Man, and welcome back to the channel. Hey man, big surprise today. Yeah, man, gonna pick up a little purchase I made yesterday. You know what I mean?
Impulse buy.
Impulse. I mean, it was impulse. Even my wife didn't know. I got bored. Seriously got bored. I was sitting around. As a matter of fact, I think I told my sister, I said, man, I'm bored. I want to buy something. Did I not? I said, I'm bored, man. I ain't bought nothing in a long time. Hey, remind me to get that stuff out the back of the truck. Tan on my bed back there. So yeah, impulse buying. And so right now I'm on the way to pick up a trailer. We're gonna scoot by and we're gonna go ahead and grab this. You know you gotta stay tuned, but you know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. You know what I mean? That way you can get all alerts to all the new drops. Hey man, it's gonna be something. It's gonna be different. Stay tuned. And we back. Hey man, gonna pull up. You know what I mean? My mother-in-law here already asking questions. You did not buy a slingshot, did you? Answer to that story here. You gotta find out when we pull up, you know what I mean? So we're gonna pull up real quick, man. My man Kurt is in here waiting on us. And we're gonna see, man, hopefully they got everything on it. Hopefully everything's situated on it the way we like it, the way we want it. You know what I mean? We're gonna see. I gotta get the look on my mother-in-law. See what she gonna look like when I bust this thing out. You know what I mean? Mom bought a jet ski.
Oh my God.
I bought a jet ski, Mom.
Can't swim, so I know you ain't bought no jet ski.
Nah, I ain't buy no jet ski. I can tell you that much.
Yes, I can tell you that much.
Woo. See, that's what I needed. Mom bought a jet ski.
I know that.
I guess you could just park right here.
Yeah, I am. Mom, like, what did he buy?
Yep.
What in the world did he
Taking
buy?
bets.
What you think I bought, Mom? What you think I bought?
I think it's slingshot.
Think it's a slingshot?
Slingshot. Or either, well, I know it's not gonna be a golf cart.
You know it's not a golf cart.
Yeah, so
But why can't it be a golf cart?
Because
They sell go-karts and
Golf carts, the whole nine.
ATVs,
I
four-wheelers.
just feel like it's gonna be a slingshot.
We finna pull up in here. Let's go in here real quick, y'all. See what's up so we can get on back. I need to get this trailer off. I'm nervous about this trailer. I ain't going in front to you. I ain't gonna even hold you. You already know. Got the family here. Let's go on in here, ladies and gents. Alrighty. Let's see what's going on, man.
Yes, thank you so much.
The
You
one
like
at the
it?
back is for 4.
You like it?
You see how much that thing costs?
What do you mean?
Yes.
Nope. What you mean? Come on, we're gonna ride. Because it got the Mickey Thompsons on it. Alright, so let's go on back over here real quick, man. See what's up. And then, ooh, it's going down. Say, it's about to go down. You did.
Say, man.
Pickup time.
Yeah.
This is my boy Kurt that helped me out with it.
Ready to ride?
I got my mother-in-law, but she looking like
She don't even know.
what he bought now. so it's still to go. She gonna have a fit, already know. Look at her, look at her. Come on, Nosy. I see you looking. So let's see what it look like. What, Mom? I didn't buy the slingshot. You told me, well, I was gonna get the slingshot, but you said I couldn't right now. Right? Right?
What?
I wanted to get an RZR.
Yeah.
I got an RZR. For the track, when we get to the racetrack, that's what we're jumping into. So, hey, 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 hey.
You step on it?
Bam. There it is. There it is. Impulse buy, last minute.
Why?
I woke up.
Why? Do it. Just why? Just why?
So I bought me a Can-Am. And this thing is a beauty. They even added the back pad to it.
Lift it up, Miracle. And then you sit on the back.
Put it right there. What you think, Mom? You can't tell me it's not dope. It's dope. It's super sweet. Now, alright, now. Stay tuned. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna get this footage of me riding because he's gonna give me a little training lesson on riding it real quick. We're gonna be right back.
Alright. Does your brake lever feel good? Right there where your brake is? Yeah. Oh, that's good. How about your handlebars? Because you can adjust it to whichever way you want it.
Yeah, about right there.
So you lock that in place. Alright, now you put your foot on the brake. You roll this up. That's a little safety switch right there. So you hold it forward. That's how you start. You have to roll it in at the same time. Now your forward and reverse is right here. Right now you're in forward. If you're on reverse, I usually reach down with my hand, pull it back, and then you can pick it back up with your foot. And then you take this down to go. Like you are literally in drive right now. So if you want to ease around the parking lot easy, just remember foot brake's your only brake. And just, you know, feather this to where you can get the feel of it, kind of feel your acceleration and stuff. And you can just put it right here if you want to feel comfortable.
Alright, so a little trick that I learned, man, when I was riding. Put it down a little bit. You won't snatch on it like that.
Girl, a whole kid.
Let's reverse it.
So which one is park?
There is no park. Park is the only brake.
Okay, so
That,
right.
flip up.
So that's in reverse, that's drive, and I flip this
That's
up.
flipping up.
Okay.
That's
so it's saying it's in
parking brake.
park.
Yep, that's parking.
So now with the ignition and stuff on now,
Foot on the brake,
put on the brake.
roll it up,
I gotta, okay, put on the
and
brake.
then hit the.
And then hit.
flip that down, the parking brake,
Right.
and then you ride.
And then to shut off, all I do is this.
That's it.
All right, and then does this go off by itself?
It does.
Okay.
After I think it's like 30 seconds or something.
All right. I sure hope.
U-Haul trailer?
Yeah. I sure hope the wheelbase that thing.
It's not.
You don't think it's gonna work?
No, it's not.
It sure is.
That's what I was afraid of.
Barely gonna hit it. It ain't gonna make it past. That's one thing about these trailers, man. I didn't know you could do U-Haul trailers.
You not riding?
No. Nope. I told him last night we talked, I said I will consider it on back roads, but if he planned on getting on the highway,
So right in here, you're fine.
yeah, I could definitely do the neighborhood. I can definitely do the neighborhood, but